Hello, everyone. This is Zena contacting you from Nonprofit Support Network. We are an agency dedicated to helping the smaller nonprofit get things started. We're also helping nonprofit entrepreneurs. We're here to support your efforts to create a successful nonprofit. Today, we are going to review the EIN application, getting your EIN number. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the IRS.gov website. We're going to enter EIN number in the search bar. And then we will see apply for an employer identification number. So the employer identification number is the same as your SS4. It's also known as your tax ID number for a nonprofit organization. You can apply online or you can do the paper application. So we're going to click apply, how to apply for our EIN number. Again, you can do it online. If you do it online, after you complete the application, you will be able to receive your EIN number at that time. We are going to do the paper application. The questions are the same. We're going to click here. And again, this is the EIN number for a nonprofit organization. So it starts with the name of your organization. So we're using Jane's organization, which is Jane Charitable Organization. Trade name, if different, we don't have a trade name. We're just using that name. The executor is Jane. Mailing address, you can use a P.O. box. Jane is going to use her address. City, state, and zip. You can also enter the street address if it is different. They do not want a P.O. box in this box, but we're using the same address, so we're going to leave that blank. County and state where the business is located. For our example, is going to be Los Angeles, California. Name of the responsible party, that's going to be Jane, and this is going to be a principal officer of the organization. We're going to enter Jane's social security number. Question 8 is for limited liability companies, so we're going to leave those 3 questions blank. Next, they are asking for the type of entity. Again, this is a nonprofit, so we're going to select other nonprofit. It is not a church. And we're going to enter 501c3 charity. So even if you have yet to file your 501c3, if it's in process, you can go ahead and put your 501c3 charity. If a corporation, name the state, or a foreign country. Ours is a state of California corporation, so we're going to enter that here. Foreign country, we're going to leave blank. Reason for applying, this is for a new business, a new nonprofit organization. You can put 501c3 or a nonprofit. The date the business was started or acquired, we're going to use today's date. This is the same date that is on our articles. The closing month of the accounting year, check with your accountant to be sure. Some people use a calendar year and end in December, and some use a fiscal year. We are going to use June. And the highest number of employees expected in the next 12 months, we're going to say 3. And then 0 if none. We have no agricultural employees or household employees. If you expect your employment tax liability to be $1,000 or less, you're going to click this box. We're going to leave that box blank. The first date wages or annuities were paid. If you've already begun your business, maybe a couple of months ago, you can enter that date. If you have yet to begin, You can enter the future date or when you are expecting to pay your new employees. So for this example, we're going to use the month of December. 16, check one box that best describes the principal activities of your business. So we have a nonprofit that houses homeless and low-income people. So we're going to enter that here. Indicate the principal line of merchandise sold. We're not selling anything, so we're going to leave that blank. 18, has the applicant entity shown on line 1 ever applied for or received an EIN? No, we've not applied. Jane has not applied. If yes, you would write that number there. Third-party designee, we do not have a third-party assisting us. So Jane is the one completing this application, so we're going to enter her name. And her title. We're going to enter her phone number. And we're going to enter her fax number. Okay, and we're going to print this out and then have Jane sign this. And then she is going to mail it in. Okay, and that completes the EIN application. Again, you can do this online where they will produce your EIN number at that time, or you can mail in a paper application. The questions are the same. If you have questions, please leave them in a comment. Again, this is Zena with Nonprofit Support Network. We have more videos. Please check out the other videos on our channel. And you guys take care. We will see you next time.